Mobile payment apps like Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, and PayPal make it really simple to send someone money straight from your checking account using just your phone. But simplicity can turn sinister when scammers use sneaky ways to hack into these accounts and steal your money mid-transfer. Our security expert, Bill Stanton, is back with me, and we're going to walk you through the do's and don'ts of money apps. So let's get started. The first thing, you want to link to your credit card. Do not link to your debit card. What's the big difference?
Well, the big difference is when you link to your business or personal credit card, you're going through the bank. They have a lot more. It's an easier time to trace where it's going. It also delays the payment a little bit. You go with the debit card, it's connected right to your bank account, and that cash is going where they can carry and be gone.
I don't even use a debit card with my credit card.
Yeah, I go old school. I carry cash.
Oh, you? Oh, God. No, I mean, I use credit cards, but I don't know why I would give my debit card to a vendor to put into a machine. If they make a mistake, if they get scammed, I get taken advantage of.
That's exactly right.
All right, next up, you're going to turn on two-factor authentication. I don't know how many of you know what that is. Super simple. Explain why it's important.
It's very strong, Doc. It's an extra layer. What it is simply when you're looking to make a payment, they want to know that it's actually you. They will send a code to the phone that you have registered. Now, when you get that code, if you're making that payment, you put it in, no problem, no harm, no foul. If it's not you, you see someone's using your identity, you don't give the code, you notify the proper authorities, and they're going back empty-handed.
Help the system be more secure. Two-factor authentication. And finally, avoid making mobile payments over public Wi-Fi. Now, first of all, explain why public Wi-Fi is a problem. And if I'm sitting in a coffee shop, right, and I'm just trying to do the right thing, and there's free Wi-Fi there, why would that put me in scam's way?
Okay, so while we're going to coffee shops for that free second cup of coffee and the free Wi-Fi, the bad guys are looking at you as free money because that open Wi-Fi makes it open to you and the bad guy that's scanning you. So what you need to do is don't do that, because what they're doing is they're the barrier, they're the in-between man between you and who you're trying to pay or what you're doing. Getting all that information that we previously spoke about, they're going to use it against you.
I say, just like I said with earlier, be careful about using public Wi-Fi. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So no debit cards, no public Wi-Fi, and two-factor authentication.
Absolutely.
Always remember to pay attention to your surroundings, even in the digital era. It makes sense. Pay attention to what's being said, what's being done around you. Be situational awareness. It matters. Remember, if something looks fishy, it probably is. Thanks to Bill for joining us. As always, God bless you. Remember, check out his book, Prepared and Not Scared. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.